Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is another quick video of achieving this look. Let's get into it. First, I prep my face before I come to camera, so I was just aligning my eyebrows so that I can define it the way I want. So I was taking my hand a little bit upwards so I can get that shape I want. So if you want to draw eyebrow, I think the makeup artist that make it more easier for you to do that. If you want to learn how to draw your eyebrow. So guys, if you're watching, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Don't sleep on yourself, guys. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are more to learn here. Click on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first people to see the video whenever I upload any new video. And guys, don't forget to support your girl. Leave me your honest opinion. If there's any question you have, feel free to ask. I will be there to answer you. And guys, you can also make the comment section interactive with other viewers. So if there's any question you have, you can also leave it there. Somebody else can answer it for you. And that is not the problem. You guys have to subscribe, thumbs up, as in like the video. Whenever you see a video comes up, like it, so we will get to so many people. By liking a video, you spread the video like that. So I was just using my brush to spread out the concealer like so. I did the same for the other part of my eye. Man, this particular concealer I'm using is very light, so not all concealer is this light. This one is very light and it's oily. You can also use it as your highlighter. It's a concealer palette, so I can also use it to do my highlighter. So I went in with a darker shade for on top of the brows, because if I use a lighter shade after applying my foundation, it will be so ashy to leave me plenty ash line on top of my brow. So I think I did the same for the other brow, and I continued to blend again. I wasn't satisfied with the blend I had, so I went to my beauty blender. These days I don't have smaller beauty blender, so I was just using this big one to add justice to it. I did the same for the other eye. So I went in with my powder, a lighter powder from my powder palette, to set on that under eye. I like to set it. If you set the under eye after applying your eyeshadow on the rest, it just gives you this satisfying look. Take a look at that. So I went in with more concealer. Because that place, the look I want to do, I need to apply concealer to it. So I was not cutting crazy, I was just applying concealer to my. I did the same for the both eyes. So I start to blend with another brush. I was using another brush to blend it like this. I went into the other eye. I was so careful with it. I was just so careful with it. And I went again with beauty blender so that I don't have any ash line in between this look, because ash line will not, sometimes when it's dried up it will not blend. So I will blend it, and now I'm adding my light shade. This is this one I'm adding is on my powder palette. Is a powder color, you know, those kind of darker powder. So I was using the darker powder there. I was just applying it to my face. So I went with a light orange. You can see the difference. The light orange is standing out Yeah, light orange or even yellow. So let me call that one yellow. I say I don't want it to be tacky. Was explaining to somebody, I forgot I did not smooth this with this. So I add orange at the end of the after the yellow, then I add orange to it. So I went in with my eyeliner. I forgot to record the part I add orange to it. But this concealer was not giving me what I want because it did not dry up well. So applying my colors to it, my shadow to it, it was kind of not really easy to blend because just take a look at it. It's as if the wetness of it has sucked some area. So I just have to work with that like that. I you don't want to stress myself over it because I have this concealer palette. If I don't use it, it's kind of a waste. So this look was in my mind to achieve. I really liked it. When you start with yellow and end with orange, it's really fun. But mine, I start with a lighter shade of powder, very very kind of skin color. Then I went in with orange. Then we went in with our dark orange and a little brown to set the. So I was just applying foundation to my face here. I did that already. Then I had the same concealer as highlighter because this concealer is so oily. I don't need to add much. If it was my other concealer, that one is full coverage. That one would just, but that one dry up immediately. So I was like, today I don't want something that would dry up immediately. The weather is so hot, so I wanted something to just melt it down. So I apply it, and I did not just blend immediately because it was record. You thought I blend immediately, so I apply it and I allowed it to dry to my face a little bit before I start to blend. So now this is me blending it out. This concealer is nice. The way it fits me is what I like about it, but it's so oily. It's so oily. It's good for people like for me that had dry skin. Well, this one come like say too oil. So guys, if you are still watching, you've not subscribed, please do subscribe now. I wanna help your girl. If I wasn't the one that was doing makeup for myself, I would like I will fix my eyelash first before applying my what's it called, my eyeliner. It's final like that. To fix your eyelash first before you apply your eyeliner is final like that. So guys, but because I'm the one makeuping myself, that was what my that's why I have to do my eyeliner first before I do my I fix the eyelash. But this look come out very very quick. The look gets fine very very quick. I know I cannot do without my contour now. The contour is contouring. I want it to go a little bit upward because the upper it is, the finer, the smaller, the more defined my face is. Just take a look at how that blend. So I was applying powder to my face here. See the concealer is not that bright again. I applied powder to all those areas I did highlighter on. Then I was applying the matching powder to the other area I did the other area that need my normal skin powder. But this powder I was adding right now was a lighter one to the lighter area of my beautiful face. Also, I was doing this one first with my powder, the skeleton line. I have a lighter powder on my powder palette. So if you want, you can still use this one as your setting powder. You don't need to use the normal setting powder. I was just using this one to align it first. So yeah, I was applying my setting powder to it. So it was easy for me to just put the setting powder because I already like that with a powder. So for the bridge of my nose, I cannot leave that one like that. I went in by so, and now it's time for me to take off the powder so it does not stay too much on my face. So first I went in with my blush to redefine that beautiful cheek of mine. I like to add my blush into my hairline. It gives me this beautiful look. So I did the same for the boot cheek, and I was not satisfied enough, so I wanted to add a little bit of pink to that dark color I used already. But at the same time, I don't want it to be too sharp, so I went with this brush and I was taking out this powder. Hmm. About this person, they disturb me. See the way they talk for this video. See my lip. Oh my god. Oh my god. I felt I have enough of this powder, so I was just removing it from my face so that the rest can sit well and blend into the face so that this look will not end up too bad, because if I leave it to the end, sometimes I think it's sharp. So like this was okay for me. I went with powder again. I was just retouching those areas around my neck, my forehead, the other part of my face. I was just making sure that everything is okay. So I went with another brush again. I think it was on camera or outside camera to remove excess product on the face. I wanted to do it the way I normally do my lip line. I was like, no, today, no, I'm not fit. Let me do this regular one I see on Instagram. So I just draw the line like that. Mind you, when you have colorful look like this, you don't need sharp lipstick again. You just need something nude. But this my nude lipstick was given. It was everything you guys asked for. It was just nice. It was. I did it under a few minutes. This color was added to it was a little bit light, dark. It was orange, but because it was orange, but not that dark orange, a little bit light orange. So when I spread it out, it was like light pink, that kind of, there's white undertone inside. So I just allow it to blend to my skin and add wet lip to it. That was all I did for this lip. That was all. So I didn't go with eyeshadow. I just used my eyeliner brush to clean that excess uh, product out of my under eye, and at the same time applying the black to it, the black gel to it, to make it more defined. So I went with mascara. No, I sprayed my face first. I later applied my eyeshadow and I went in with mascara for the under eye. So I was finding myself here and I was like, wow, this look is giving me all I want. So I went in with my eyelash. Today I was using a very, very bold eyelash. The eyelash I was using today was very big, but I was obsessed with it. So I did the both eyelash and I was like, wow, this look is beautiful. See transformation now. So I went in again with my mascara to redefine the under of the eye, because without mascara it's as if my under eye is not giving me what I want. So I was just feeling myself here. So guys, if you are still watching, you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. See you on my next video. Enjoy the look. Eating this look given. See me, I was just feeling myself here. Are you okay? Are you okay? Come to my bedroom, cassava wait for you. Are you okay? Are you okay? So guys, see you on my next video. Please subscribe. Thumbs up for this video and see you on my next video. Okay, kisses. Mwah.